With the hardware configuration open, double-click the CPU to open its properties. Click on the Time of Day Interrupts tab. For the S7300 processors, OB10 is the only available time of day interrupt. The block is activated from the hardware configuration, but programmed in the programming editor. The block can be set to execute once on a particular date and time, or can be set to execute every minute, every hour, day, week, month, end of month, or year. For example, we could set this block to run every minute. Beginning on April 29th of 2013 at 8 a.m. in the morning. An example of programming OB10 and other organization blocks are shown in separate videos. Click OK when you're finished with CPU properties. After changing the CPU parameters, the hardware configuration must be saved and compiled and downloaded. The other tabs of CPU properties are discussed in separate videos.